How you leverage maximum from your work life. The more you get maximum leverage from your job profile, from your work life, the more you get success in your career life. We have to develop strong ecosystems which is available in your job profile. The resources is available, and you have to develop strong ecosystems to see that what is the best resources which is available in your organizations. Ecosystem, it means that your internal ecosystems, like you are the first persons. Second is that your boss, your management, your training and book, your team members, HRs, other supporting department. This is the resources which is available. The internal external ecosystem is that like the vendor outsources. So how you manage, how you do maximum leverage the available resources, this is the more important. If you talk about your own self, you are the first person that you take the responsibility of your own success, because you are what you are today because you made choice yesterday. You are in charge of your own development. You have to race your own race. So how you get better maximum in your job profile, you have to get better for every day, every minute, every activity, every client meeting and every project. And there is 3 techniques to improve your own self. First is that review process, second reflection process, and pilot process. See, process, it is for what? It is the developing the core capability. It is the developing the method of the knowing answers. If you are unable to develop the core capability, it means that you have to take your review process, you have to take the reflection process. What could I have done better? This is the review. What could I not done to get answer, yet to get method of the knowing answer? That is called the reflection process. If you process in your job profile through the review, the reflection, it will be very helpful to develop core capability as well as the develop the new method of the knowing the answer. Third point is the pilot review. Pilot review, it means that many company have the some long-term vision, missions, and as a business head, how you drive your business. Either it is the alignment of the same what the company vision, missions. Yeah, you are doing. Yeah, you are driving your own selfless way. That is more important to see the long visions. This is the more important to drive your visions. So it need for pilot view. It can help from your senior, super senior. It can help from your mentor. So we have to develop the pilot view to get leverage maximum from yourself. Second important point is that how do you leverage from your boss? Boss is always free resources, and it is available in every day, every hours. You can get the suggestions. You can take. You can make your mentor who can always advise for your career success. Who will always advise for your career management. So if you face some problem, you ask your boss, and boss give the some answer. Yeah, give the solutions, and you have to ask your boss how you develop this this answer. What is the method of you get the answer? Try to know the method, like the Guru mantra. You can tell. So if you succeed to get, it means that you are developing, you are building the method. It will be very helpful if you go in the second phase of your careers. If you will be in the higher role of the management, and that point there is a limited answer in your organizations. You have to find your own answers if you develop the good methods, it will be very helpful. Third point is that how to leverage your team members. If you talk about the team member, it will include the new members. It means that recruitment process. How can you take the review for the new recruitment for your team members? See, the hiring strategy. What should be the hiring strategy? Generally, what we learn that we ask that what did you learn from those achievements? Many employees are telling they have ready-made answer that they have done this job, fantastic job, they succeed to achieve this ones, and you have to ask that what did you learn from this achievement, because learning is very important. If they will not learn anything, I think this achievement is not meaning for anything. So second question you have to ask that how will this learning help in the job you have applied for? That means you have to ask to know what is his capability, whether they have to develop the own method, or they have depend on the only few answer. If you have some set of the client base, they can transfer this client from the old organization to the new organization, they can succeed. But it cannot say it is a guarantee. But you have to know that learning, and you have to also ask that how his learning will helpful to get success in the new job. So we have to change the hiring strategy to drive following fundamental shift. Looking for the right answer for the question what you ask, and we have to change this one. We have to change, we have to ask, we have to identify, we have to evaluate on that basis that looking for the method to the answers. He had the answer, but how he developed the answer, either they have the method or not. And we should always assessing through the past success. We have to assess that core capability for the future success. So my dear friend, this is some strategy we have to always ask. We should always adopt this strategy while you are taking the recruitment. And most important that you have that your team member, your existing team members, your strength, and focus on why and how. If you take the review, weekly review or monthly review, then you have to ask that how you develop, how you get this result, why not you why not you achieve this task, why you achieve 50% task. So review question is totally based on the why and how. It means that you are leading, you are initiating to develop method and his capability. If you ask the why and how, it means that they will know that what is his capability. And always set high standard, high energetic. Try to create some legacy in their organization, in their job profiles. Legacy, it doesn't mean that CEO legacy or MD legacy. Even the executive, even the branch managers, even the relationship managers, they can create the legacy for their job profile for their organizations. So always motivate to set high standard, and you always try to drive formal training. And training is required for that, because sharpen the axe. If you do not involve, if do not sharpening their axe, their knowledge, their development, and they will not cut impactfuls. They will not very impactful, result oriented. And you should be the leaders. You should be the trainers, because you are knowing the all weakness point, all strength point of your team members. If you arrange the trainer from the outsiders, the outsider trainer are not unable. They will come. They will give the 60-minute or 90-minute speech. But if you train them, it means that you are motivating, you are inspiring, you are knowing the weakness point or strong point of your team member. So your clear focus, and you will implement all the means strong point what you have team members. You will also remove the weakness point what any employee have lacking for that. So always try to formal training, and you should be the trainer. This is the best approach to drive your teams. And fourth point is that get better use organization's process. How can you review, and how can you take means effort for their career planning, their potential planning, their development planning. There is some the review process like the appraisals, annual appraisal, semi-annual appraisals. You sit with the team with proper agenda, and you have to focus on that their career planning, their potential planning, their development planning. You do not pass only your judgment कि you are not doing this one, you have the lacuna of these skills, you have to develop. Judgment, passing judgment is the very easy, very means like it's not more important. How can improve? You have to stay with your team members unless until they will not improve, because you are connected for the all time, especially for the working time with your team members. It means that you are the person that you have to identify the any weakness, and how can they get out. It means that you are coaching, you are training, you are motivating, you are providing the all support. So my dear friend, this is the means, this is the way you can leverage your team members. Other part is that training and book, it is very always helpful. Many company organize the training, and many people also go through the book, and it is very important, and we should get the leverage what you learn, the content, and this content should be utilized in your job profile. Then you will see any changing. If you do not use, if you do not understand the content, if you do not apply this content in your job profiles, it means that you are not learning, you are not developing yourself. It means that you are killing yourself. You will succeed only if you try to improve yourself, and it is very helpful to get training, get it from the training book. So training and book is also very important point, and we should always leverage maximum. So my dear friend, this is all about your resources which is available. Apart from the HR supporting team and synergy team, they are always ready to help, and this is the resources which is available. So how you take these resources, this is more important. So many people, what you deserve for get success, you can do. Only is that how you leverage maximum, how can you utilize the resources which is applicable in your organizations. The more you utilize the resources, the more you get the success. The more you get leverage from your organizations, the more you will write success story in your career life. Thank you very much.